Once again, grade 10s, we are back now on lesson number 3, factorize difference of two squares. So remember, when the question comes, it will just say factorize. Then you need to check, do I have a common factor? Let's say at number A, do you have a common factor? No, you don't have a common factor. But you can see that it's only two numbers with a minus mohar. This is difference of two squares. And when you look at the two numbers, they are squares. So clary, you know it's difference of two squares. So I'm having a to exponent 2 minus 9. I don't have a common factor, so I check, do I have difference of two squares? Yes. It means I must open two bracket. The square root of a squared, it's a. The square root of a squared, it's a. Square root of 9, it's 3. Then I have a minus and a plus or minus. You are done. Number B, I have 4x squared minus 9y squared. You firstly check, do you have a common factor here? No, I don't have anything common. It's two numbers with a minus mohar. Then it is difference of two squares. So I do my bracket. The square root of this, it's 2x. And then the square root of this, it's 3y. Plus, minus, or minus, plus. Number C, I have x to exponent 6 over y to exponent 4. I check, do I have a common factor? No. I have two numbers with a minus. This is difference of two squares. So this will then be, this is square root. This will be x3 minus y squared plus y squared. We are done. Number D will have P4 minus 16. Do you have a common factor? No. Two numbers with the minus in between. Yes, difference of two squares. So this will be P squared. Remember square root minus 4. P squared plus 4. But I'm not done. When I look at this bracket, I see it's still two numbers. Both are squares with the minus. So I can still expand that bracket. The plus I can't because the sign needs to be minus in between. So this one is minus. So this will be P minus 2, P plus 2. Also, this is one that they love to ask. Number E, I'm having x squared minus 1 over 9. Okay. I don't have a common factor. I see, oh, these are two squares. So square root. This will then be x minus 1 over 3, x plus 1 over 3. And then just number F. We have number F, which is 4a squared minus 9b squared. Let me do this one here. Difference of two squares, no common numbers. So I'll have my bracket. The square root of this is 2 over a minus 3b. 2 over a plus 3b. Okay, square root sa 4 ke 2. Square root sa a squared ke a. Yeah. So sa go bona di-fraction o itse keng o bo panic. Ja palo eo. Right. We are still doing difference of two squares. But now remember that we always have to take out our highest common factor of all the terms before attempting any other type of factorization, what I've been saying. So we have number A again. This is 2x squared minus 2. I'm going to take, firstly check, do I have a common factor? It's 2, because x squared minus 1. But x squared minus 1 is difference of two squares. So it means I can still continue. This will then be like that. X minus 1, x plus 1. Number B, minus 3ab squared plus 12ab4. So here I'm going to take minus 3 out as a common, a, and then b squared. Good. So minus 3 divided minus 3, I get 1. 8 3 divided ka a 1 or sala 8 bit. That other side, it's minus 12 divided by 3, I get 4. The a's goes b4, b squared. This will be b squared. Then you have minus 3ab squared. Sorry about that. Then this is what I'm having. This is a minus 2b, a plus 2b. And then you are done. Let's go to number C. I'm having x squared a plus b minus y squared a plus b. We know that it's a common bracket, so I take it out as a common factor, a plus b. Then I have x squared minus y squared, but I cannot end there, okay? This can still be a plus b. Then factorize in. Then that one will be x minus y, x plus y. Let's do number D. I'm having m squared, n squared minus 4 plus 25, 4 minus n squared. Firstly, I need to change this bracket. So go change it. M squared, n squared minus 4 minus 25. So that any and positive for any minus. Are we good? Now, common, it's this. M squared minus 25. But both of this are difference of two squares. So I'll break this one down, then also break this one down. Here I'll have n minus 2, n plus 2. Here m minus 5, m plus 5. Then you are done. So this is combination of lesson number 2 and this lesson. Are we clear, guys? Yes. Example 19. In the following example, we are required to deal with brackets that are squared. We treat these brackets exactly like we treat single variables. So let's have a look there. I'm having number A, 9a plus b squared minus 16. So this as a whole, and then this is two terms. I don't have a common number. The only thing I can think of, I have a minus between the terms. So this is difference of two squares because both the numbers are squares. So I go on and do my bracket. And then I say the square root of 9ab squared. The square root of 9, it's 3 of ab squared. It will be a plus b. So this is what I will have this side. Minus 3a plus b plus. Then the square root of 16, it's 4 and then 4. Then you can work this one out. This can be 3a plus 3b minus 4. 3a plus 3b plus 4. That becomes your answer. Number B, I'm having 3x minus 1 squared minus 2x plus 1 squared. Do I have a common factor? No. Can I change the signs? No. But I look at the terms. I'm only having two terms. So I check. Can this be difference of two squares? Yes. This is a square. This is also a square. So I can put the square root of this one, then the square root of this one. So here's my bracket. The square root of this one will be 3x minus 1. Okay. Plus, and then 3x minus 1 minus. That side will then be plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1. Remember, when it's minus, keep your safety brackets. This will then be 3x plus 2x. This is 5x. 1 will cancel. Then 3x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1. This will be 5x. 3x minus 2x is like x minus 2. That becomes your answer. Do you understand? Because remember, the other way to explain this simpler for you, it's I'm having 3x minus 1 squared minus 2x plus 1 squared. Let's say all of this is x. This whole thing, aka x. Let 3x minus y equals to x. And then 2x plus 1 equals to y. So it means I'm having x squared minus y squared. This will be x minus y, x plus y. Or let me put the plus like I did on that one. X plus y and then x minus y. Then I will substitute x. So it's 3x minus 1 plus y again. Y in, it's 2x plus 1. Then come same thing, 3x minus 1 minus open brackets 2x plus 1. Then I will solve. So this will be the same as that one. But I don't recommend this method, so stick to this one. That's your exercise that you can try based on what I just answered here. Exercise 7, you can take a screenshot of that. Now I'm going to do the sum of difference of two cubes in the next lesson.